Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Is there anything scarier than traveling or just spending the day out somewhere and relying on your cell phone for everything, but then your battery is in the red? Never let that happen to you again. Get yourself a portable power bank.
We got this 2-pack from ENEGON in white and black. I really appreciate the matte finish, doesn't show fingerprints. The size is so nice and compact, but it is mighty, this little charger. It has a USB and a USB-C input, and you're able to charge it up. It shows you as it's charging. I appreciate that it's even smaller than my phone, so I'm able to hold it and charge it. It was so convenient recently at an airport to keep my phone alive.
These are a must-have, whether you're traveling, you're going to a theme park, or even just to put them in an emergency kit if you lose power or you live in an area that has natural disasters frequently. I am so happy that we have these. It gives me such peace of mind. If I never have to use it, amazing, but I've already had to use it traveling, and I was so glad that I had it. I highly recommend checking these out, but that's just my point of view.